Hello and welcome to NutriVibe. Did you know that your body could be warning you about a vitamin B12 deficiency? Here are 8 signs you should never ignore. 1. Constant tiredness, even after a full night's sleep. 2. Tingling or numbness in your hands and feet. 3. Poor memory or brain fog. 4. Pale or slightly yellow-looking skin. 5. Feeling dizzy or short of breath. 6. A sore, smooth, or red tongue. 7. Muscle weakness or poor balance. 8. Mood changes like depression or irritability. Vitamin B12 helps make red blood cells and keeps your brain and nerves healthy. A lack of it can affect your energy, memory, and overall health. Foods rich in vitamin B12 include eggs, fish, meat, dairy products, and fortified cereals. If you have several of these symptoms, talk to a healthcare professional for proper testing and advice. Call to action. Follow NutriVibe for more simple nutrition tips. If you enjoy our content, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health videos.